Good morning! Another day and another cooking recipe that you'll definitely love. So for today's vlog, we are going to cook a Chinese-style stir-fried eggplant. Wow! The name itself is very classy and yes, that's true. Talong ni siya guys, pero dili ni mo pwede maliiton kaya ang sagol pang mayaman kaayo. Dili sa ka makadali-dali og luto walay saktong ingredients because complete ingredient is the key to good food, right? And without further ado, let's get started. So first, we need the following: water, ketchup, soy sauce, vinegar, green pea, salt, cornstarch, and black pepper, oyster sauce, seasoning, paprika, sugar, ginger, onion leaves, onion, garlic, red bell pepper, oil, and eggplant. Gihanga ko sa kadaghan guys, mga wala na nagtumong mga ingredients sa kong ipang storya sa video. 80% na po sa itong luto ni lamas and 20% is talong. As usual guys, hiwa-hiwaon na to ang mga lamas kaya dili mo po pwedeng ilunod na lang na ito diretso ng walay limpyo, no? Importante kayo na limpyuhan na ito itong pagkaon, dili lang ito ang pagkatao. Char! And pabitaw nila, cleanliness is next to godliness. And we are very particular about it, especially though we have 2 toddlers in the house. And I would totally recommend guys to use young eggplant or kanang limod pa nga talong kaya mas dali ra lutuon. And then after mo mahamonog chop sa talong, just put the salt and vinegar and then leave it for a few minutes. Few minutes later guys, hugasan og balik ang talong. Grabe ka kutino, ibabad pa nato og salt unya dito hugasan ang pud og balik. But anyways, part mo siya sa process. And then meanwhile, you can now start mixing the other ingredient. Just follow the steps on what goes first and the last. Pero it can be on a different order man siguro. Wala man siguro yung mausap if dili magsunod ang tanan, no? Pwede na po ni mo alphabetical kung wala kahilingaw. Kidding! As in guys, balik na po daning pagbutang og asin. Murag giungo man ni itong talong, uy diin ka nigi ka na malbal ang gibalik-balik kami gidug asin. Dili na din siya eggplant na recipe guys, uy buwad na din ni siya char. Pero ibutang na lang natin ang black pepper kay pil na ko last na ni seasoning and then mix. Then katong cornstarch na with black pepper na itong gi-prep pag first, iyabo na lang po nag-appeal din another mixing na po, no? Charo din ay malipong atong talong sige mix. So mauna din siya guys, abot na dito sa climax as ang semi-final na step, mauna na ang pag-fried sa ato ang talong. There you go. Makakutas ang kataas sa process ang hinga pagkaon guys, pero nga pabitaw nila, no, hard work always pays off. So karon na feel na gid na ako nga doon na to sa kadaugan sa maktan kay ang pangmalakasan natong Bombay kay gigamit naman. Oh, diba? Emphasize na ang kamahalan ng Bombay guys. Magdepende na dayron sa kadako ng presyo, no. Pagkaswerte na lang dyan sa mga dagkong butang ng panahon na kay dollars kaayo. Sana all. So guys, na-preheat na din na mo dan ang pan. First, ibutang isang ahos, followed by ginger. Ang atong mahalo ni onion leaves, and then the green and red bell pepper. Kada layer ni guys, igulang na half cook, and then ang sauce dahil ng atong ibutang atong gigama ganina. And then mix, and then nga mo creamy siya. So first time nila mo nga na recipe guys, and we're wondering how would it taste after. Actually, this is very healthy and at the same time, lami po kayo ni siya. Then this time, ato lang ibutang atong gi-fried na talong or eggplant and then mix. Dili na kainin nato siya dugay, no, kay luto naman ang atong talong. Ang ato lang goal is mutuho pag-ayo ang sauce para lami ang resulta ni kahuman, okay? So while waiting na mahuman atong food guys though, reverting to what I said earlier about hard work, technically this is actually the key to success. However, it actually combines with discipline. So just say for example, if you wanted to lose weight, you actually need to discipline yourself from what? Of course, from eating unhealthy foods, drinking soda, and for your unhealthy lifestyle. And for it to be efficient and effective, you also need to partner it with exercise to keep it balanced. So that's it guys, hard work, discipline, and consistency, it is always the key. I promise you that guys. So maay kaya akong mga tambag there, no, pero me myself is having a hard time doing this to myself too. But it's okay guys if you're having a lot of restart. To be honest, you are not alone. The most important thing is you try it and then you don't give up. And that's the word of the day guys. I hope you enjoy, learn from this video, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!
I like me better now, 'cause you make me feel that way. I like me better now. You bring the blushes to my face, feeling so knocks you down. Guess that's what Carrie was on about.